Let's go live now to Toronto City Hall, where Mayor Olivia Chow was speaking to reporters just ahead of today's council meeting.
The TTC safer and more supportive for everyone who rides it. Starting November 15th, highly trained Toronto crisis service teams will be stationed at key subway hubs to respond directly to mental health crisis. Crisis workers will give riders the peace of mind they need to feel safe, knowing there is someone there to help them when they need it. Crisis worker will give timely care and support for those in distress. They add to the existing street to homes workers who bring homeless people to shelters, and existing security guards, provincial offense officers, and the police. The police chief said at the announcement of these crisis workers that they don't replace their presence, they complement it. To reach those crisis workers, download the Safe TTC app right now, or if you want, speak to a TTC staff in the station. Crisis service team workers in subway station is my comprehensive approach to bring stronger and more caring and to build more stronger and caring communities. We cannot call Toronto a safe city or Ontario a strong province when we do not protect our children. We know speed kills, and we know speed cameras in school zones protect children from death or serious injuries. The evidence is clear. Speed cameras save lives. The province plans to rip them out, and it rips out one of the most effective tools to keep children safe. Instead of ripping out our speed cameras that protect children, how about helping Toronto by investing in mental health crisis workers? Mental health is, of course, a provincial responsibility, and TTC riders deserved to be protected also. Today's council will discuss my recommendations to strengthen the speed cameras programs with bigger signage and a grace period for first offenses. I hope the province will not rip out those big warning signs too. To do so is just not fair and not safe. Council will also be approving phase 1 of the Quayside development. It's a bold project that delivers 1,800 rental homes, and almost 600 of them have rent geared to income, the residents' income. So they are very affordable. Half of these homes will be spacious units with 2, 3, 4 bedrooms designed for nurses, firefighters, and other essential workers, so they can build a family right here in Toronto. The city government is stepping up to build housing in a challenging market and creating stronger and more affordable city for everyone. Finally, I want to highlight a motion I will be introducing that is near and dear to my heart. Today, I will ask councillors to join me in creating the Legacy of Learning program. I want children to be able to join other classmates to visit zoo, the Toronto Zoo, even if their parents are struggling financially. Children will get hands-on learning that builds curiosity, empathy, and a deeper connection to nature, no matter what the parents' financial income is. The Legacy of Learning program is created in honor of Dr. Jane Goodall and Anne Innes-Dagg, two extraordinary leaders whose legacy have left a lasting impact on wildlife, conservation, and education. Goodall and Dagg's work have inspired countless young people to care deeply for nature and learn how to live in harmony with it. At this City Council meeting, together with my council colleagues, we will continue to build the hard work to build a safer and more caring city. One that protects hardworking people who live here, that keeps roads safe for our kids, and take real action to make homes and lives more affordable for everyone. I am open to your questions.
say, no, he's not going to reverse course on that. Are you still holding out hope that any kind of reforms that are passed at council this week could change his mind?
As long as we have speed cameras that are operating, I remain hopeful. We do know speed kills and drivers must obey the law. And the Ford government talked about Parkside. I noticed in the last 10 years, there's 7 serious accidents with 3 deaths, 5 serious injuries. And these speed cameras we put in there really help slow down the cars. And there had been a redesign of Parkside that will protect pedestrians and cyclists. Oh, the data, you can read it. You can Google search it. Type in sick kids hospital research. And the data is clear. By gosh, there is so many pieces of research. I don't even know where I could start. The data said that in terms of it's 35% slowing down. There is a lot of data. I could. It's in our city council agenda. I could submit the entire, the letter from our experts, our city manager Paul Johnson. I can submit the entire document to the provincial government. I'm sure they have the same data we do. That you want to be that sick kids research. Let me just repeat it one more time. I've said it about 4 or 5 times. Let me do it one more time. They found that the speed cameras reduce speed limit in school zones by 45%. Okay, 45%. So that to me tells me it works.